Hello and welcome to another video project on Alfa Restoration channel. Today's video demonstrates the repair works on the Alfa 147 power steering pipes. The Alfa 147 and GT power steering pipes are no exception to the rule that oil presence on pipes or hoses will eventually result in leaks. In general, oil, either being engine oil, gearbox oil, or ATF, underlies toxicity which eats away rubber elements and sometimes even metal components over time. In my case, there had been traces of potential leakage on the return line with moisture present on the crimped part of the hose. This is probably the case of the hose end fitting being compromised and leaks appearing, which with time will become more significant. We are all aware that many Alfa 147 and GT parts are phased out from Alfa, and the power steering pipes are no exception. We surely have to use our creativity to keep our Alfas on the road, and this is where the help of the professionals is required. Let's get started. This is the moisture on the hose part of the pipe, indicating a leak. We first need to remove as much as possible fluid from the tank. Using a syringe is the best way to go. Then drain the remaining fluid from the circuit by acting on the quick couplers on the steering pipe's cooler. Undo the two metal clamps, keeping the pipes in place. These two clamps are found on the cross member top and the right side chassis rail. remove the plastic clip which holds the hose to the steering rack pipes. The final part for the pipe removal is to undo the union to the steering rack. Once the union is removed, place a blanking cap to the steering rack to prevent contamination of the steering rack internals. This is the hose section showing oil moisture. The rubber part of the pipe will have to be repaired. The hose is now repaired using a new rubber section which will be crimped with a special tool. Of course, this is a job for the professionals.
Και αρχίζει να πρεσάρει. Του κάνουμε άλλο ένα πάτημα πιο κάτω. Και το πάμε αργά αργά. Και μας λέει μόνο το που θέλει να σταματήσει. Άλλο ένα τελευταίο πάνω. Και είναι έτοιμο. Αυτό θεωρείται τώρα ένα αξιοπρεπές πρεσάρισμα. Βεβαίως. Βγάζουμε το σωλήνα μας. Είμαστε έτοιμοι.
It is highly recommended to add hose protection. This sleeve protects from excessive heat coming from the engine. Install the repaired hose to its original position. Make sure that all connections, clamps, clips and unions are properly attached and torqued down. Fill up the tank with new ATF and proceed with bleeding the system. Proper bleeding is done with the engine running and turning the steering wheel from lock to lock until all funny noises have stopped. The power steering pipe has been successfully repaired, and I can't thank enough the valuable service of the repair shop which did the repair. Stay tuned on the channel for the next episode, which deals with the Alfa 33 heater valve replacement works.